Let's be honest. Brushing your hair seems simple, right? But most people are brushing the wrong way, and it's silently destroying their hair. Split ends, breakage, frizz, slow growth sound familiar? Today, I'm breaking down 5 common brushing mistakes and how to fix them starting today. Mistake number 1, brushing from the roots down. This one's huge. Dragging your brush from the top pulls knots into one tight mess and snaps your hair in the process. Fix it. Start brushing from the ends and gently work your way up. It might take a few seconds longer, but your hair will thank you. Mistake number 2, using the wrong brush. Not all brushes are created equal. Fine hair? Use a boar bristle to gently distribute natural oils. Thick or coarse hair? A paddle brush works best. Wet hair? Never use a fine comb. Go for a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. Mistake number 3, brushing soaking wet hair. Hair is most fragile when wet. Brushing immediately after washing, especially without detangler, leads to breakage. Fix it. Pat your hair dry gently with a towel. Use leave-in conditioner. Detangle with a wide tooth comb from ends up. Mistake number 4, never cleaning your brush. Think about it. Your brush collects oils, dead skin, product residue, and dust. Then you run that through clean hair? Fix it. Clean your brush weekly. Use warm water, a bit of shampoo, and a toothbrush to scrub between the bristles. Mistake number 5, brushing too often. More brushing, better hair. Too much friction actually weakens the hair shaft. Fix it. Brush only when needed, like to detangle or evenly distribute oils. Once or twice a day is plenty. Correcting your brushing routine can change your hair, literally. Less breakage, smoother strands, faster growth. These small tweaks make a big difference. If you learned something new, hit that like button to show your hair some love. Subscribe for more real science-backed hair care, and drop a comment if you've made any of these brushing mistakes before. I definitely have.